Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idanograne. I'm here to present a video to show you some mechanism in mechanical engineering. This time around, I have a mechanism I want to demonstrate for us. Let me show us the image of the mechanism so that you can follow me as I explain. So this is the image. So this is the image of the mechanism I want to demonstrate here. So let me just enlarge it a little. Okay. Okay, so this is the mechanism. So the first link here is the OA link. You can see the rotation arrow here. So OA is the main driver in this mechanism. So as OA rotates in this clockwise order here, it connects the power through this link AC. Then you can see along AC line there's a point at B which connects this BD link. And as OA rotates, it takes power to to AC. And as AC also rotates, it also moves the link BD. And if you look at this point is fixed and connected to D, which also oscillates this link, that is the L link now, the EO2D link. You can see it, and it's fixed at this point. So this L link tend to oscillate up and down in this order. Then you can see another fixed point here. So C is also fixed to this point O3. So let me see how we can do it. Let's do it together so that you follow me carefully and see how we are going to achieve this. I want to achieve the mechanism. Let's see how it works. So to start, let me get the center. Let me start somewhere here. Okay, let me start around here. Okay, so this OA, the radius, I have some dimensions here. The radius of OA is 100. So this is 100, but I can't use 100 here because of the scale. So let me take a scale of 100 to 1 centimeter. So if I divide by 100, I have 1 there. Okay, so my radius is 1. Okay, so let me get the point A that will go around this fixed point. So let me put it here. So this is point A that will go around. As it's turning, it will transmit the power to other link connected in the mechanism. Okay, so let me label this point, just to right click and rename. It's called point A. Alright, so that one is done. Then the first fixed point, let me rename it, call it point O. Okay, so that is that. So before I do the other connections, I need to locate my fixed point. So the second fixed point, which is O2, I need to get the distance from the first fixed point. So from here downward is 200. Then from here to this place is 300. So let me get a point. So we say from up to here 200. So that is 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. So this is where point O2 will be fixed. Then from O2 to O3, you can see the length is 400. So I need to count 4, and they are on a straight line. You can see it in a straight line. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so all my fixed points are located. One important thing about this mechanism is always try to locate your fixed point before you start your work, because all members tend to rotate or oscillate about a fixed point. So very important. So let me label them. This is O2. This is point O2. Okay, and this is point O3. Alright, okay, let me put it down. Put it down. Okay, so now let's move. So from point A, I need to connect to AC, and the length AC here is 700. So I need a circle of 7. Center A, radius should be 7. So just make sure A is the center of this circle. Then I need a circle of this fixed point because OC, which is 7 radius, is connected to O3C. So O3C, the radius is 3, so I need a circle again at this center, radius 3. Okay, so I've achieved this. So this is the point I need. So this is the position I'm looking for. So the next thing is to get my point of intersection, which is this circle and this circle. So that is that. So I've settled with my OC. So with my AC is settled. So let me hide the lines I don't need. Just right click on the ones you don't want to show and click on show object. So they are gone. The next thing is to connect. Let me connect my segment from O to A, then A to C. Then don't forget also from O3 to C. So we click on move, then right click, rename. This is C. Okay, so this is set. So let me check how this one will work. So as A rotates, okay, that means B is going to, sorry, C is going to reciprocate. So this is how it will work. Let me hide the other points showing down here. So let me show this. Okay, so that is that. So I need to get this point B because this fixed point is connected to D and D is now connected to B. So how do I get this point B? So from B to C, the length here is 200. So I just need a circle at this point C, radius 200, that is 2. Okay, so this is the point B. So I need my point of intersection between this line and this circle. Alright, so that is, let me check how it will work before I continue. Okay, it's working as I want it. Alright, so you hide this circle, then label this point as point B. Okay, so we have settled our point B. Then now B is connected to D, but before that I need to get my point D, so which is also a circle. This, the radius of O2D now is 200, which is 2, and that is okay by this. Then I need BD radius, and BD radius is 150, so a circle of center B of 1.5. It's not touching that. Let me see something. They are supposed to intersect. It is where they intersect that forms this D. They are supposed to intersect. Supposed to intersect. That means I didn't get the right measurement. They are supposed to intersect. Let me see where the measurement I missed. Okay, let me increase the radius of this to let me increase the radius of this one. Let me delete this. Let me increase the radius of this point now, which is O2D. O2D, let me take it to 250, that is 2.5. Okay, so let me see. Okay, then I still need to increase this also. Let me delete this. So let me increase the radius of this. That is BD. Let me take the radius to be 1.7. Alright. Okay, so let me check. Okay, because it's not supposed to go out. When it goes out, the point of intersection will not appear. So this is the point I'm looking for here. So I get my point of intersection between this circle and this circle, and that is that. So I hide all the points I don't need. So right click, show object, right click, show object, right click and show object. So this is the point I need. Then I can now connect the segment from my O2 to this point. So this is the point D. This is the point D. Rename it, call it point D. So this is the point D. Then I can now connect my line also from B to D. So this is what we are saying, such that when A rotates, you can see it connects to this. So when A rotates, it moves B, C, then you can see this now. So BD, which is this. So now let me do the perpendicular line from OE, from O2 to E. So this angle here is 90 degrees. So that one is easy. All I just need is to get my perpendicular line. So I need the perpendicular line this through this point. Then all I need is this length from O to E. So that one, let me take length 6. So this center 6. Let me see. Alright, this is okay. Then I need my point of intersection between this line and this, which is this point. Then the next thing, I hide any other line I don't need. Okay, let me go and hide the other point of intersection here. So hide this. Alright. Then let me label this point as point E. I think my work is over now. So join O2 to E. Alright, so let's see how it will work. Yeah, the mechanism is working as we want. You can see it. So the point O2, O3 is fixed. Then A is the one rotating as OA rotates now. See, power is being transmitted from A to C. Then B is attached to AC, which connects to this fixed point D, and it makes this member L link to oscillate in this order. So let me play the mechanism. Let's watch, see how it goes. Okay, it's turning in anti-clockwise. It's supposed to turn clockwise. Let me stop it. Then do my resetting. Go to setting, algebra. Let me see if I can move the speed to 1.5. Then click on decreasing. Okay, so this is it. So if you see it now, as A rotates clockwise, which is point A, as it turns, it connects power from A to C. If from A to C is connected, then point B is attached to AC, then it made O3C to oscillate in this order. Then B is connected to D, which also oscillate this link DO2E. So you can see the way they work. So this is the mechanism that I want you to watch and see how it works. And this is the sketch on the paper. I got this snap from the Theory of Machine textbook, authored by R.S. Kumi. And this is the mechanism. If you are in class teaching your children, you can show them this as you are explaining. You can demonstrate this mechanism. They can see how it works, so that everybody will follow and understand the mechanism. So thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.